How to fix your laptop or PC getting hang. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your laptop or PC getting hang. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now the reason why this can happen is because there are a lot of applications running in your PC and some of them are actually useless. So this is how you can fix the issue. First of all, just hover over your taskbar and right click on it. After you do that, you'll find your task manager. You can directly head over to the search bar and then type in task manager as well. Open up your task manager and right here you should see different options. So on the top you'll see apps that are currently running in your PC and below are all the background processes going on. Now here all you need to do is end the task. For that, right click on the app and then you will see restart and many more expand and whatnot. What you can do is again right click on it. There should be an option where you see end, so you can do that. You can simply, this is the option right here, tap on end task and then that very app will shut down, and that should give your RAM a lot of free space. You can check out here which app consumes how much CPU, how much memory, how much disk, and the one that's consuming the most and is on is not working, you are not using it, and so you can remove that easily, and then your hanging and your lagging and hanging issue should just go away. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.